Stretch. He stretches his muscles after waking up. Use the bathroom. I use the bathroom first thing in the morning. Blow dry hair. She blow dries her hair after washing it. Put on makeup. She puts on makeup for work. Put on shoes. He puts on his shoes before leaving the house. Wear a jacket. I wear a jacket when it's cold. Ride a bike. He rides a bike to school. Catch the bus. She catches the bus at a M. Drive to work. He drives to work every day. Wake up. She wakes up before sunrise. Use public transport. I use public transport to get around. Drop kids off. She drops the kids off at school. Pick kids up. He picks the kids up after work. Do paperwork. She does paperwork in the office. Make phone calls. He makes phone calls to clients. Write reports. She writes reports for her boss. Give a presentation. He gives a presentation in the meeting. Have a snack. She has a snack during the afternoon break. Take a coffee break. He takes a coffee break with colleagues. Finish school. The kids finish school at p.m. Do a workout. She does a workout at the gym. Go for a run. He goes for a run in the evening. Have a smoothie. She has a smoothie after exercising. Play sport. He plays soccer with friends. Practice an instrument. She practices the piano after school. Study for exam. He studies for exams at night. Do craft. She does crafts as a hobby. Watch a movie. They watch a movie together on weekends. Visit a friend. She visits a friend in the afternoon. Go to the library. He goes to the library to study. Go to the park. She goes to the park to relax. Visit family. He visits family on holidays. Bake cookies. She bakes cookies for the party. Play board games. They play board games after dinner. Go swimming. He goes swimming in the pool. Attend a class. She attends a yoga class. Learn a language. He learns a new language online. Work on a project. She works on a project for school. Go grocery shopping. He goes grocery shopping every Friday. Clean the kitchen. She cleans the kitchen after cooking. Vacuum the floor. He vacuums the floor once a week. Dust the furniture. She dusts the furniture regularly. Mow the lawn. He mows the lawn on weekends. Wash the car. She washes the car every month. Change the sheets. He changes the sheets every week. Call parents. She calls her parents every evening. Take a walk. He takes a walk around the neighborhood. Journal. She journals her thoughts before bed. Plan meals. He plans meals for the week. Check the news. She checks the news in the morning.